What if you're not bad at learning? You're just using the wrong method. You study for hours, watch tutorials, read the same thing again and again, and still feel like nothing is staying in your mind. But here's the truth. Your ability to learn isn't fixed. Your learning method matters. The first mistake people make is trying to learn everything at once. They jump between 5 videos, 3 apps, different books, and 10 different topics. Their brain gets information, but not enough time to process it. So choose one thing and go deeper instead of constantly switching. The second habit is simple but incredibly powerful. Don't just consume information. Try to recall it. After learning something, close the book or video and ask yourself, what do I actually remember? Explain the idea in your own words. Pretend you're teaching it to someone who knows nothing about it. If you can't explain it simply, you probably haven't understood it yet. And this is where many people waste time. They keep rereading because rereading feels productive. Active recall forces your brain to actually retrieve the information. Another powerful technique is connecting new information to something you already know. Your brain remembers meaning better than random facts. So don't just memorize a definition. Ask, what does this remind me of? Where could I use this? The more connections you create, the easier the information becomes to remember. And don't underestimate practice. If you're learning a language, speak it. If you're learning design, create something. If you're learning public speaking, actually speak. You don't learn by watching someone do the thing. You learn by doing the thing yourself. And here's something smart learners understand. You don't need to feel motivated every time you learn. Sometimes your brain will feel tired. Sometimes you'll think you're not improving at all. That doesn't mean you're incapable. Learning often feels slow while it's happening. But every time you practice, you're building connections that become stronger with repetition. And that's why consistency matters more than one huge study session. Give yourself breaks too. Your brain isn't a machine that can absorb unlimited information. Sleep properly. Move your body. Come back later. And stop being afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes aren't proof that you're bad at something. They show you exactly what you haven't mastered yet. If you're learning something difficult right now, remember this. You don't have to understand everything today. You just need to understand a little more than you understood yesterday. So next time you're trying to learn something new, don't just ask, how long should I study? Ask, how actively am I learning? Focus on one thing. Practice instead of only consuming. Take breaks and keep going. Because learning faster isn't about forcing more information into your brain. It's about teaching your brain how to remember, understand, and use what you learn.